Hey everyone! Ever wondered how carbon electrodes are made for everything from aluminum production to batteries? Today we're diving into an amazing process that uses petroleum coke ball mills to create these essential components. Petroleum coke is a carbon-rich material left over from oil refining. It's perfect for making high-quality carbon products. But raw pet coke needs to be ground into a fine powder before it can be used. That's where the ball mill comes in. A ball mill is basically a large rotating drum filled with grinding media, usually steel balls. As the drum spins, the balls tumble and crush the petroleum coke into an ultrafine powder. This powder has just the right particle size and consistency for manufacturing carbon electrodes. These electrodes are crucial in many industries, especially aluminum smelting where they conduct massive electrical currents. The ball milling process ensures the final electrodes have uniform density and excellent conductivity. Without proper grinding, electrodes could develop weak spots or fail under extreme industrial conditions. Modern ball mills can process tons of petroleum coke per hour, making production highly efficient. They're also designed with safety features to handle the dusty nature of carbon materials. Many systems include dust collection and temperature control to prevent any hazards. The quality of the ground powder directly affects the electrode's performance and lifespan. That's why manufacturers invest in high-quality ball mills with precise control systems. Some advanced mills can even adjust grinding parameters in real time based on the material. This technology helps create electrodes that can withstand temperatures over 1000 degrees Celsius. Next time you see aluminum products or use batteries, remember the ball mills that made them possible. These unsung heroes of manufacturing are constantly improving to meet growing demand. From electric vehicles to renewable energy storage, carbon electrodes play a vital role. And petroleum coke ball mills ensure they're made to the highest standards of quality and reliability. Thanks for learning about this fascinating process with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial insights.